How to change the ratio in YT Create application. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the ratio in YT Create application. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. Open the YT Create application, and you can see if I want to change the ratio of my video, I can simply tap on these three dots, and now you can see aspect ratio. Tap right here on the ratio, and from there you will have three options: 60